Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome back to the Try Not to Laugh Challenge. So anyway, quick disclaimer, this video is obviously clickbait. My face has already been revealed and I'm at 30 subscribers, so chill out. It'll be okay, at worst you wasted a few minutes of your day. So anyway, YouTube officially, it was definitely official. They definitely officially mailed me my first play button, as you could tell by the video. And this was not clickbait. This play button is 100% real, and it's the paper play button. I got it for hitting 30 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Now, I'd like to set a little bit of a goal. I would like, by the end of the year, to hit 100 subscribers. Let's try and get it at triple digits. So, this is pretty cool, but I want more. I'm a greedy child. So let's get to 100. Tell your friends and your family and your husbands and your wives, and probably don't have more than one of either of those. That's bad. And tell your children and your principal and your janitor and the drunk guy across the street. Just tell everyone, get them to subscribe. And if we get to 100 subscribers by the end of the month, maybe I'll even do a little bit of a giveaway, and like for some shirts. I'll put a picture of some shirts I designed. Imagine them without the white box around the breadstick. A picture either right here or just, I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I obviously haven't edited yet. So let's get to 100. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and just hit that subscribe button. And once we get to 100, then maybe I'll give away like 2 shirts and stuff like that. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell everyone else that you know, even people that you don't know. Just randomly tell them on the street, because that's the normal thing to do. Tell them to subscribe. If we get to 100, then I'll probably waste a lot of money on shirts that nobody will actually wear. Let me know in the comments if you will wear one and which one you will wear, and I think that's it.